Hello, folks. Welcome to a new episode of Building with Fuzen. And in today's episode, we're taking another look at our app builder assistant. So, we have launched our app builder assistant. It's in private beta right now. So, if you want access to it, send an email to hello@fuzen.io and we'll help you get access to the AI app builder assistant. So basically, this assistant is an AI chatbot. It's an AI agent where you can just go chat with the AI. You tell the AI what you're looking to build, what kind of functionality you need in your app. It will ask you a few questions to better understand the app functionality, your requirements. And once it has good understanding of what you're trying to build, it will start building your app. And it will do like 70-80% of the job. It will build a solid skeleton for your app based on the requirements that you provided, and then for the rest 20% 25% of finishing touches for the customizations that you want, you can use our no code tools. So without doing any coding, you can get your fully customized app built in a matter of few minutes. And that's largely thanks to the AI, because AI is doing 70% 80% of the work in just a few minutes. So without me talking much about it, it's better that I just show you. So let's get into it. So now I am on the app builder assistant page. As you can see, it's a SaaS app builder assistant and it's a chat interface. So on this chat interface, I can just tell the AI what kind of app I'm looking to build. So I'm looking to build a CRM with sales pipeline management functionality. So basically a CRM which will help me to manage my sales pipeline. And it's asking me if I want to customize it for any specific industry or do I need any specific features. So I'm going to tell the AI to add a Kanban board to my CRM app. This Kanban board should display all the leads as per their status. So depending on their status, they will go to different columns of the Kanban board. So that's the feature that I'm looking for in my CRM app. Okay, so do I need anything else apart from the Kanban board? Yeah, so I'm going to ask for a separate page to manage leads, and also a page to display these leads in table format. So I want to manage leads, and apart from the Kanban board, I also want to see a table. So that's what I want. Then it asks me what details I want to track. So basically I will want to track basic contact details of my leads. So phone, email address, their referral source, status of those leads, etc. Okay. And do I need any additional features like notes or activity history or anything? So I'm going to ask for an option to add notes and file attachment to leads. Okay, I don't need any notifications or reminders as of now, so I'm going to say not now. And what about team members? Do I need any roles? So roles also I'm going to skip. So it gives me a summary of the app. So basically the chat has been summarized, and I think now the AI has started to build the app. Okay, so looks like it's defining a data structure, defining the pages to be added to the app. And now I think it's creating the app, setting up dashboard page. And now it redirects me to the dashboard page of the CRM app. And I can see it has created a dashboard. The structure is not quite what I was going for, but I think I can change it once it's done with the app building. I can use the no code tools to drag and move these elements to restructure it. So structure is not quite what I was looking for, but it got the elements right. So I asked for a Kanban board. I can see it has added a Kanban board. I had asked for a table specifically, and I can see a table, and it has also created some dummy data, some leads in the CRM app. So that's dashboard page is set up, and now it has also created a lead creation form. So the lead creation form clearly says create new lead, and it gives me a form where I can add different leads. So this looks decent. This looks good. Now it has also created a lead details page, but I think we'll need to come to this page from the dashboard page. So now the AI has finished its job. AI has built a skeleton of my app. Now it's up to me. So if I want to customize it, if I want to modify some things, I can use the no code tools to do that. So first I'll check a few things from the dashboard. I'll just try clicking on a lead. And yes, so if I click on a lead, it takes me to the lead details page. And on the lead details page, I had asked for an option to add comments on leads. So basically, if I want to add remarks regarding what kind of work has been done on the leads, so it has done that. It has given me an option to add comments, and it has also given me an option to add file attachments. The only thing that I can see here is I can make it look a little bit better by restructuring it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the page builder by clicking on build with no code. So if I go to build with no code, I can see that AI has created this page by using some no code elements. And what I want to do is just restructure it. So I'm going to drag the Kanban board, just put it below the dashboard header. So that looks better. And then I can also drag the table, drop it just below the Kanban board, and the card at the bottom is not needed, so I can just delete it. Yeah, so this is a structure that I prefer much better. And what I'm also going to do is change the colors. Now in the Kanban board, all the columns are colored pink. I want them to have different colors. So the dashboard looks a bit colorful, and the different columns can also have some meaning. Like if a lead is converted or qualified, I'm going to put it in green. So I added some colors to the dashboard. Now I'm going to save the page, and let's look at the live page. So this is what the live page looks like, and it's pretty good. So AI has done a good job with the skeleton of the app, but it didn't get the structure quite right. But that's not a problem. I was able to use the no-code tools to restructure the UI elements as per my liking. And if I wanted to change the color or fonts or anything, I'm very easily able to do that with the help of no-code tools. I don't need to go back to AI to do that. Now, if I click on any lead, it will take me to the lead details page. And I'm just going to do a trial run. I'm going to see if the comment functionality, if the editing functionality, file uploading, if it works. So I'll do a test run by creating a new lead. I'll just add some dummy data, dummy phone numbers and emails. I'll just create a dummy lead. So once the lead is created, I can click on it, go to the lead details page. Here I want to check the commenting functionality and file attachments. Because I had specifically asked for this, I want to test it. And yeah, it seems to be working. I was able to add a file, attach it to the lead that I created. And if I want to add any comments, I'll also check that, just a test comment here. All right, seems to be working. So basically we saw how easy it is to build an app using Fuzen's AI app builder. You use the AI builder, AI assistant to build the skeleton of your app, and it gets done very, very quickly. And then for the finer touches, for the finer customizations, you just use the no-code tools, and that makes it easier for you to add some finishing touches, like change some colors, restructure some elements. It's just easy for you to drag certain elements rather than explaining AI how you need it to be structured. So I find it easier. So that's why I did the finer changes with the help of no-code tools. But if you wanted to use AI to modify your app, you can again go to the same AI bot and you can ask AI to modify certain things, and it will also do it. It may take a few tries to do it. So for that reason, I find it easier just to do it by myself, because it's just simple restructuring and recoloring. So I can do it by myself. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. So as I told you earlier, this AI app builder is right now, it's in private beta. So if you want access to it, just send an email to hello@fuzen.io. We'll be happy to assist you in exploring the AI app builder. We welcome your feedback. So if after exploring the AI app builder, if you have any feedback, we definitely welcome it. I look forward to hearing from you guys. So I'm going to stop it right here.